past perfect enters to the picture when there are two linked episodes. When there are two linked episodes, right? So when there are linked episodes, so the earlier past, there are two past. There are two past. So the earlier past is perfect, past perfect, and the recent part is past simple. Generally, past perfect is not used as a single sentence. Generally, past perfect is not used as a single sentence. It used with past simple. It used with past simple. So the earlier past is past perfect and the recent past is past simple. सबके आने के बाद सबके आने के बाद मैंने उसको बुलाया. सबके आने के बाद मैंने उसको बुलाया. तो पहला पार्ट क्या हुआ? सबके आने के बाद फिर मैंने उसको बुलाया. एग्जैक्टली तो सबके आने के बाद, after everybody had come, after everybody had come, I called him. After everybody had come, I called him. ठीक है. सबके जाने के बाद, सबके जाने के बाद मैंने उसको कुछ विशेष बातें बताई. सबके जाने के बाद मैंने उसको कुछ विशेष बातें बताई. सबके जाने के बाद परफेक्ट. आफ्टर एवरीबडी हैड लेफ्ट, आफ्टर everybody had left, I told him, I told him something very special. I told him something very precise. ठीक है. So the past of the past, the past of the past is perfect and the recent past is simple. ठीक है. मैंने उसको पहले ही समझाया था. मैंने उसको पहले ही समझाया था, फिर भी उसने मेरी क्लास ज्वाइन कर ली. I already had told him, I already had told him, then too he joined only my class. ठीक है. Uh, then too, T-double-O, then too he joined only my class. ठीक है ना. मैंने और प्रतिभा जी ने उसको खूब समझाया, फिर भी वो नहीं मानी. प्रतिभा जी प्रतिभा जी प्रतिभा जी प्रतिभा जी प्रतिभा जी and I had tortured her a lot, but then she agreed. Then she agreed to go. Then she agreed to go. ठीक है. किसको किसको भावना जी? Still I'm not stubborn. My basic work is to break all stubborn people, and I do it so I do it with water resistant attitude. ठीक है. So what is past perfect? That requires two episode. इसके पहले कि वो कुछ कहता, इसके पहले कि वो कुछ कहता, लोगों ने लोगों ने उसे चोर साबित कर दिया. इसके पहले कि वो अपनी सफाई देता, लोगों ने उसको चोर साबित कर दिया. लोगों ने पहले ही चोर साबित कर दिया. ये पास्ट परफेक्ट हो गया. बिफोर ही गेव हिज एक्सप्लेनेशन, before he gave his explanation, people had already proved him thief. ठीक है. यस. सवाल केवल ये है कि पहला एपिसोड जो है वो परफेक्ट कहलाएगा. You speak it earlier or after, that does not matter. That depends on you. You want to speak first, you speak first. You want to speak later, you speak later. That does not matter. But the recent past is simple and the earlier past is perfect. This is what the whole story of past perfect. But the episode should be linked. This should not be the part of the whole episode. For example, if you visit somewhere and you are detailing the whole episode will be of past simple. No past perfect will come until and unless you come across two linked episode. That has to be remembered. Linked episode is two episodes are linked. उसके जाने के पहले ही, उसके पूछने के पहले ही मैंने उसको सब बता दिया. I already had told him before he asked. That is was past perfect and passing. ठीक है.